Hey everyone, in this video, I'll share the best screen recording tools for remote work in 2026. Yeah, whether you're creating tutorials, sharing feedback, recording meetings, or making presentations, having the right recorder can make your workflow smoother and more professional because, honestly, clear video and audio can save time and improve communication across remote teams. So first, Loom is still one of the most popular choices for fast, simple screen recording. It lets you capture your screen, camera, or both, and instantly share a link with your team without complicated editing, which is ideal for quick updates or walkthroughs. Next, yeah, Tela focuses more on content creation and polished recording, offering features like clip-based editing, transitions, and visual layouts that help you make professional tutorials, demos, or explainer videos without extra software. After that, uh, Screencastify is a browser-based recorder that's perfect for educators and teams who need simple Google-integrated tools for capturing lessons, feedback, or demos, and it's easy to use on Chromebooks or laptops. Also, yeah, OBS is a powerful open source solution for advanced users who want customizable layouts, multi source recording, and streaming capabilities, which makes it great for professional presentations or complex workflows. And yeah, so Camtasia combines screen capture with strong editing tools, letting you create detailed tutorials with annotations, callouts, and effects, which is perfect for training content or product documentation. Finally, choose based on your needs. Most of the time, tools like Loom and Tela are great for quick remote communication, while Screencastify is perfect for simple captures. OBS is best for advanced setups, and Camtasia is ideal for polished training videos. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.